I'm in a Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, 7th generation, 2016 model year, with this type of key. And if you need to replace the battery in this key fob, you will need to press this little button and take out the metal key. In my case, it's broken, so metal key stays there. And next, I need a bead or a flathead screwdriver of quite a big size. The bigger the better. And then you need to put this screwdriver here. Actually, it doesn't matter much in what place. You just need to put it here and twist to open the key fob, to separate it into two parts. And then when it opens, be careful, because there are circuit boards and some components that may fall out. And actually, you will need this part. So put it aside. And in this part, you have this battery. It faces the plus side down, and you will again need the screwdriver to get it out, or actually you can make it with your fingers. So this is the CR2032 battery. Just insert it the positive side down, make sure it sits there tightly, and then just pull this all back together and make sure it clicks on all sides. So this is how you replace the battery. It's like a 3-minute job and a $3 battery.